Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 series has yet to be officially announced. Still, speculation is already rife about what Samsung might bring to the table in its next generation of flagship tablets. Samsung has historically followed a predictable release schedule for its Galaxy Tab S series, with new models typically arriving in the second half of the year. The Galaxy Tab S10 series launched in October 2024, so it wouldn't be surprising if the Galaxy Tab S11 series made its debut around mid to late 2025. Given the current trend of the two-device lineup, a compact option was omitted in the S10 generation. It's possible Samsung will retain this strategy for the S11 series. The naming convention may also be changed. First, while the Ultra model should remain the same, the Plus model could become the regular Tab S11. Second, as was the case with the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S20, the successor to the Galaxy Tab S10 series could be called the Galaxy Tab S20 series. However, it's also possible that it will be the Galaxy Tab S25, to align the naming with the Galaxy S25 series. Pricing for Samsung's flagship tablets has been climbing steadily with each new release. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra started at $1,199 for the base Wi-Fi model, while the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus was more affordable at $999.99. With continued advancements in display technology, performance upgrades, and the integration of Samsung's AI features, it's likely the Galaxy Tab S11 series will start at similar or slightly higher price points. The Galaxy Tab S11 Plus could begin at around $1,049, while the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra might start closer to $1,299 for its base configuration. Samsung's AMOLED displays have been industry-leading, and the Tab S11 series will likely push this further. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra could sport the same massive 14.6-inch AMOLED panel, with a 120Hz and resolution potentially exceeding the current 2960 by 1848. The Tab S11 Plus might continue with a 12.4-inch display but could see improvements in peak brightness and anti-reflective coatings to rival premium laptop displays. Tablets are not traditionally camera-focused devices, but the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra's dual front-facing cameras were a standout feature. Samsung could refine these further, offering improved sensors and AI enhancements for video calls and content creation. On the rear, a high-quality primary camera and an ultra-wide option will likely remain. Battery life is always critical for tablets, and the Galaxy Tab S11 series is expected to deliver incremental improvements. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra's 11,200 mAh battery offered respectable endurance, so the S11 Ultra might feature an even larger capacity or efficiency gains through software optimization. Fast charging up to 45W is expected to return on both models, although the omission of a charger in the box is likely to continue. This trend aligns with Samsung's push for eco-friendly packaging. The Galaxy Tab S11 series will likely run on Samsung's One UI 7, based on Android 15. Enhanced multitasking features, refined stylus integration, and expanded AI capabilities could make the S11 series a productivity powerhouse. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.